Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise number 1, bit number 2. Check whether the following lines are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So we have to check this. The given lines are consistent or inconsistent. We have to draw the graph also. So first of all, let take the first equation, that is the first line as 3x plus 2y. Bring it this 5 to left side, it becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a1x plus b2y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, take the second line here, 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, so it is also in the standard form, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So here, what is the value of a1? a1 is nothing but the coefficient of x, so a1 value is 3. b2 is nothing but coefficient of y, b2 value is 2. c1 is a constant term, so minus 5. Here you see, so a2 is nothing but 2, b2 is nothing but minus 3, c2 is nothing but minus 7. Okay, after that what you do, calculate the ratio. a1 by a2, how much? a1 by a2 here 3 by 2, b1 by b2. So what is the ratio of b1 by b2 here? b1, so this is b1, so 2 by minus 3, c1 by c2, that is nothing but minus 5 by minus 7. Minus minus cancel, this is 5 by 7. Okay, this is 3 by 2, this is 2 by minus 3, this is 5 by 7. So just you observe here, 3 by 2 here, this is minus 2 by 3. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Here the two ratios are different. 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3, both are not equal. So the lines are intersecting lines. So consistent lines. So it has a one solution. Intersecting lines have one solution. That's why they are consistent lines. So now we will solve this question graphically. How we will solve, just you see. So just you see here, first equation, let the first equation 3x plus 2y plus 5. To draw a graph, we need points. Okay. For that what you do, substitute x is equal to 0. First you substitute x is equal to 0. If you substitute x is equal to 0, what happens, just you see, 3 into 0 plus 2y, that is equal to 5. 3 into 0 is nothing but 0. 2y is equal to 5. 0 plus 2y is nothing but 2y is equal to 5, where y is nothing but 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5 approx. So if I substituted x value 0, I am getting y value as 2.5. Okay. xy, x is 0 substituted, y I got 2.5. Similarly, you substitute y is equal to 0. So then what you will get, just to check. If you substitute y is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 3x plus 2 into 0, that is equal to 5. 3x, 2 into 0 is nothing but 0, that is equal to 5. 3x is equal to 5. X is nothing but 5 by 3. So if you divide that, approx how much you will get? 3 ones are 3. 2 is the remainder. Put a point. 0. 3 6 are. Approx it is 1.6. So if we substituted y value 0, I am getting x value as 1.6 approx. So this is the first line points. Similarly, we are going to take the second line. So here is the second line. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Similarly, you substitute x value 0. 2 into 0 minus 3y, that is equal to 7. Okay, 2 into 0 is nothing but 0, minus 3y is equal to 7. Minus 3y is equal to 7. Y is nothing but 7 by minus 3. Here 3 it is in multiplication, it goes to division. So you will get minus 7 by 3. So take this negative sign to numerator, it becomes minus 7 by 3. So simplify. 7 by 3 we are getting 3 2s are 6, 1 is the remainder. Put a point, put a dot here, take 1 0, 3 3s are 9. So approx it is minus 2.3. If you substitute x value 0, I am getting y value as minus 2.3. Similarly, you substitute y value 0, what you will get? Just to check. Substitute y is equal to 0. Okay. What happens here? 2x, this is the minus 0, that is equal to 7. 2x minus 0 is equal to 7, where 2x is equal to 7. X is nothing but 7 by 2, that is nothing but 3.5. Okay, x is nothing but 3.5. So now here what you will get? If I substituted y value 0, x value as 3.5. So y is 0, x is 3.5. So we got two line equations. Here is the points of first line. So when x is 0, y is 2.5. Y is 0, x is 1.6. So here is the second line points. Now we will draw the graph for these 2 points. So I am taking a rough graph here. So this is the origin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is x-axis. So this is y-axis. Take a scale. So on x-axis, what is the measurement you are taking? On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I am taking. On y-axis also, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Why? Because the values are small values are there. That's what I am taking. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So now here, mark the values. So down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So here also negative values. So now you see, first I will mark these points. When x is 0, y is minus 2.3. x 0, horizontal line x value, vertical line y value. So minus 2.3 here, minus 2.3. Where is minus 2.3? It is in between minus 2 and minus 3. It is somewhere here. So when y is 0, x is 3.5. So y value 0 means we have to mark it on horizontal line. 3.5, it is exactly in between 3 and 5. Now we connect these two lines. So this is a one line. Okay, what is this line name? 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, like this line. Okay, now take the first line. X is 0, y is 2.5. So 2.5, x is 0, y is 2.5. So here is the point. It is a positive value. That's why I am taking here. So now y is 0, x is 1.6. On x-axis you have to take 1.6. So join this. Okay. This line name is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. So the two lines are intersecting here. It has one solution. So this point is a solution. So where it is touching x-axis, where it is touching y-axis, we have to see from the graph sheet and we have to write the solution. So like this we have to draw the graph.